Buju Gakanawea. Welcome to Ojibwe Word of the Day. Today's word is Zhingwaak. Zhingwaak means white pine. And as a sidebar, the 5 needles on a white pine tree are distinctive. All other pines have sets of 2. And the 5 pine needles in the Iroquois tradition among our Nottoway brothers and sisters are that the original 5 members of the Haudenosaunee Confederacy each used to war with one another terribly, but made peace, bundled up their implements of war, and buried them at the base of a great tree, the pine tree. And it's where we get the saying to bury the hatchet. And afterwards, each tribe maintained its own culture, customs, language, and so forth, but were united as part of a common political entity. America's founding fathers, Benjamin Franklin and Thomas Jefferson, studied the Haudenosaunee Confederacy and incorporated those ideas into America's structure, where you have independent states, part of a common nation. Zhingwaak White pine. Miigwech, Wagush, indigenous.
Gijigukwe Indigu.
And that was
Ojibwe Word of the Day.